Our people, our brothers and sisters, you're welcome at KAZA Technologies. Today we share a common computer problem that many of us face in our homes, schools and workplaces. This HP laptop powers on, the fan keeps running on and off, the Wi-Fi mute lights are on, but the screen stays black, does not start, and even the caps lock does not actually respond. So many of our brothers and sisters think the screen is damaged, which is not a problem now, but most times real problems is inside the computer. When we opened this laptop, we found corrosion on the motherboard, like you're seeing near the processor. One chip had black substances on it and another chip had greenish corrosion near the processor. One chip had a black substance I've demonstrated and I'm going to show it to you. Probably this damage usually comes from some moisture, dust and keeping laptops in places that are not safe. Our brothers and sisters, small things like water drops, dust, or poor storage slowly destroy computers. By the time you notice, the laptop refuses to power on. So that is why at KAZA Technologies, in our phase 2 of computer hardware and software repair, focuses on early checking, cleaning and proper diagnosis. We don't just repair computers, we teach our beloved brothers and sisters on how to take care of them. Remember, early maintenance saves money, time and stress. If your laptop is misbehaving differently, don't wait until it dies completely. Bring it early. KAZA Technology is here for our people, fixing systems, sharing knowledge and growing technology skills together in the community. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel for more video content. Have a blessed day.